Hello guys, in this video I will going to show you how to create your videos from images using the slide to video model which I created. Before I move into programming part, I going to show you which kind of video we will going to create. And first you can see a title card. So after the title card you can see some animal images one by one. So first lion, and after tiger, so after elephant, after fox image, and after at the finally end it's going to show a end card. So this is a video we are going to generate using this slide to video model. So now we are going to code it up. So before coding, you can see here all the resources for this required video. So this is a code going to generate that video. So in first line I imported a slide to video model. So after I import a time model to know the current date and time. So after I create a main function, inside this main function I write the required code to generate the video. In first I initialize a resolution class to set my resolution of my video. So after I initialize title class to set a title. So the argument of title class is going to be our background video path and the duration, how long the title is going to be shown. So after to add test, I call add test method in this title class. So the arguments are the test and the y position of test. So the test get automatically centered in x position. And the font size and the color of the test, and at which seconds I going to start the test, and fade in f8 seconds. So after adding all the required test, I going to call this make title model to combine the background video and all the text which I given. Going to return a composite video clip. So after that I going to create a animal clips array to store a animal image clips one by one. So for that I created a loop to loop through animal images one by one. So first lion, tiger, elephant and fox. To make that slides I going to call as this slide class. So the arguments are first the image path and how long the image is going to show. So and to add some text I going to call add test method from slide class. So the argument are test and xy position, font family, font size and test background path, and the test color default white, and the direction is we can set either left or right. So and at which seconds going to show the test and how long the test is going to show. So after set all the required test, I going to call this make slide method to combine a image and the given test. So after combining all the tests, is going to return a composite video clip. So I going to append the video clips to my animal clips array. So after creating all the animal clips, I going to initialize end card class, and the arguments are a background video clip path and how long it's going to show in seconds. So after set that I going to call this make end card method from this class to make a composite video clip. So after creating all my required clips, I going to create a clips list array to store my all the clips. So after that finally I going to create a render clip class to render my clips as a final video. So the argument is to be our clip list. So after that to add a background music to our video, I going to call this add audio method from the render clip class to add background audio. So the arguments are first audio file path and the audio subclips in second and the audio volume and at which second the audio is going to play. So after adding all the audios to my clips, so finally I called this render method from my render clip class to render a video. So argument for this render clip class is output file name, and the second parameter is audio to enable audio or disable audio in our video, and the FPS count and the preset. So default it is medium. So you can use ultra fast to reduce your render time, and which coders we going to use to render the video and the how many threads we going to use from our CPU to render that video. So if you give more threads, your render time is going to get much faster. So that's all, our main function gets over. So after I calling the main function, now I going to run the code. So you can see here our video gets rendering now. Yeah, now the video gets rendered under in 28 seconds. So this is the newly created video. Now I'm going to play the video. So same as it show a title card. After that it's going to show line image and the tiger and the elephant and the fox. So after it's going to short card method. So yeah, our video successfully generated using slide to video model. So the main purpose why I created this model is to render my YouTube video. So before I created this model, I used a video editing software to create my YouTube videos. So that takes a time around 30 minutes. So after creating this model, it takes only average of 2 minutes. So now I'm going to show you my Python code, so which generate my YouTube clips. So this is my code to generate my YouTube video. So this class automatically gets my required images to render a YouTube video, and it is here I written a code to generate my YouTube video in this main function. So now I'm going to run this. So you can see here the video get rendering now. Yeah, now the video render finished in under 55 seconds only. So it is less than 1 minute. So by using this, I simply made my YouTube video. So it saves a lot of time, around 25 minutes. So that's all about the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.